just to let you know, this is unlimited alert. So yun guys, this is our table. Solid, full table na naman tayo, bro.
Yes, actually this is a new concept na parang mga grilling station dito sa May Angeles City.
Yeah, so this one is a Thailander-inspired
Yes.
na talaga mag-enjoy yung mga Kapampangans, bro.
Yes, actually they call it Thai MOOKATA. It's a Thailand way of eating grilled and shabu-shabu.
Yeah. How does it look like? So, notice, ayan guys. So, yung parang pinaka-outer circle ng stove natin, or yeah, yung stove natin, soup base. And then on top, meron tayong grill ng SAMGYUPSAL. So, you can either order pork or beef. Guys, this is unlimited. Just to let you know, this is unlimited alert.
So dito may mga ingredients tayo like mga seafood, may gulay tayo, may corn. At the same time, sa mga meat naman natin, meron tayong dalawang klase. It's either beef or pork. So pinili natin ngayon is yung kanilang beef.
So additional dun sa package natin yung mga side dishes. So notice guys, dito self-service tayo. So you go to the counter, pili ka doon kung anong gusto mo, and unlimited. Sample sa mga side dishes natin. So meron tayong kimchi, this is japchae, we have salad, potato marble. Oh wow! So creamy. Doon sa soup pala natin, so meron tayong option for the classic, for the spicy. So kung gusto mong mas manghang, go for the spicy. So we ordered this spicy. Ah, look at that. Pali na. And guys, so aside from the Thai MOOKATA na talaga naman pinagkakaguluhan dun sa kabila, you can actually enjoy coffee, some refreshments, and at the same time, some desserts dito sa Coffee G. So, and for me, the place, not too fancy, simple lang, it's very straightforward. And this is our table for today. I think it's ready, no, already. So, tara tingnan na natin yung mga drinks nila. Alright, so finally, again, guys, at the end of it, sobrang nag-enjoy kami.
Yes, parang ito yung mga pang-dessert or pampatanggal umay.
This is the finale. So, what do we have on our table, bro?
So, on our table, syempre, nandito yung mga drinks, the same time, mga cupcake, cakes. Ito na yung pang-finale natin.
There we go. So, let's enjoy it. Alright, so yun guys, we really enjoyed our time dito po sa GGK SKY Music Lounge. And of course, yung Coffee G. Guys, feel free to message it. And if you like this video, again, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. But before that, ano bang address natin?
So this is located dito sa may barangay Pulung, Cacutud, Angeles City. And they're open from 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. Monday to Sunday.
Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
Cheers!
Peace out.